Hello students, welcome back to our next video or session. So today we are going to continue with the same chapter, that is life in tropical and subtropical regions. Now let us see the topics that we are going to cover in our today's class. So in our today's class we are going to focus on the subtropical region, that is Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. So here we are going to look at the climate, the topographies, the food crops grown over here, the vegetation, wildlife, towns and cities, transportation and tourism. So let us study about the subtropical region. So where is the subtropical region located? That is where is Brahmaputra and Ganga basin located. So the basin is situated between 10° north and 30° north latitude. And now let us see the tributaries of Ganga and Brahmaputra. So the tributaries of Ganga are Ghagra, Gandaki, Gandak, the Koshi, Mahananda, Yamuna, Tamsa and the Son. And the tributaries of Brahmaputra are Dibang, Lohit, Dhansiri, Raidak, Jaldhaka and the Testa. And these rivers and their tributaries drain the subtropical region. Now let us study about the physical features of the Brahmaputra and the Ganga basin. So you have the plains, the mountains, the foothills of Himalayas and the Sundarban deltas are found in Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. Now let us learn about the climate in Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. So basically this particular area is dominated by the monsoon climate, and the monsoon brings rain over here from mid-June to mid-September, and during the summer it is hot and the winters are cool over here. Now let us learn about the topography of Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. So the basin area has varied topography, that is they have mountain area with steep slope and they have plain area with fertile land. Now let us study about the food crops. So the main crop grown over here is paddy culture. Apart from that, the other crops that are grown over here are wheat, gram, maize and sorghum. The cash crop that are grown in this area are sugarcane and jute. Apart from that, the other plantation are banana plantation. Then you have tea plantation in West Bengal and Assam. And you will also find silk production in the part of Bihar and Assam. Now let us see what type of farming do the people practice in subtropical region. So in subtropical region they practice terrace farming or step farming. Now let us learn about the vegetation in the Ganga and Brahmaputra plain. In Ganga and Brahmaputra plain, tropical deciduous trees grow along with teak, sal and peepal tree. Now let us learn about the wildlife. So there are variety of wild animals found in this basin. Some of them are elephants, tigers, deer and monkeys. And you'll also find one-horned rhinoceros in the Brahmaputra plain. Then in the deltas, you'll find animal like Bengal tiger, alligator and the crocodile. And the aquatic life over here is abound in the fresh water of Bengal, and the most popular variety of fish found over here are rohu, katla and hilsa. Towns and cities. So the Ganga and Brahmaputra plain have several big towns and cities, and places like Allahabad, Kanpur, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna and Kolkata are located along river Ganga with a population of 10 lakh, and the wastewater from this area, that is the wastewater from the industries of these towns, is discharged into the river, which leads to water pollution in the river. Now let us learn about the transportation. All the four ways of transportation are well developed in Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. In the plain areas, there are large number of airports, and the roadways and the railways help people to travel from one place to another. Waterway is also one of the effective means of transport, particularly along the river, and Kolkata is an important port on the river Hooghly. Now let us learn about tourism. Tourism is another important activity of this basin, and the major highlights of this area are Taj Mahal in Agra near Yamuna River. Then you have Buddhist stupas in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Imambara of Lucknow is also very famous. Then we have Manas and Kaziranga wildlife in Assam. And apart from that, the tribal culture of Arunachal Pradesh is also one of the major highlight of this area. Now let us quickly summarize what we have studied in our today's class. First, we saw the location of the Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. It is situated between 10° north and 30° north. Then the area is dominated by monsoon climate, and the main crop that is grown is paddy, and the other crops that are grown over here are wheat, gram, maize and sorghum. And the cash crops that are grown in this region are sugarcane and jute. Then the wildlife, so there are variety of wildlife in this basin. Elephant, tiger, deer and monkeys are very common. Then teak, sal, people and thick bamboo groves are common in the Brahmaputra plain. All the four modes of transport are well developed in this basin, and tourism is another important highlight of this basin. So, thank you. That's all for today. See you soon with the next chapter. Till then, stay home, stay safe.